If you want your viewers to easily find and follow you on Instagram, the best way is to add your Instagram link directly to your YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple and fast way. Welcome back to How to Mastery. Today, I'm going to guide you through the easy steps to add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel so your audience can connect with you on both platforms. First, open YouTube and go to your channel settings. From there, you need to access your channel editing section where all your details and customization options are available. Inside your channel settings, you will find an option to add links. This is where you can insert your Instagram link. Type Instagram in the title and paste your Instagram profile URL in the link section. Once your link is added, save the changes. Your Instagram link will now appear channel's About page and can also show on your channel homepage, making it easy for viewers to find you. And that's it. You have successfully added your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more simple tutorials. See you in the next one. If you want